Whether it's materials or information, if the inventory is not there when a customer wants it, chances are they will go somewhere else to find it. Next, revenue is lost, and then it gets worse and worse. For example, if inventory is not available, throughput is decreased, waste is introduced, and supply chains slow down. With that being said, many traditional manufacturers and service providers use a type of inventory known as safety stock to solve these and sometimes catastrophic issues. In this lecture, we will introduce you to safety stock. Stay tuned. Welcome back. While inventory and stocking extra amounts of it does not generally solve the root cause of late deliveries, frustrated customers, slow production, or missed opportunities, it is one of the most frequently used solutions for traditional manufacturers. In the most general sense, safety stock can help offset changes in supply and demand, avoid costly stockouts, reduce the impact of disruptions in supply, lower administrative and ordering costs, cushion against forecast inaccuracies, maintain market share, and create consistency in a company's revenue. So, what is safety stock? Most inventory consists of cyclical stock, or the inventory that is expected to be sold within a given period of time, and safety stock. Safety stock is the extra inventory that is held and used to prevent an out-of-stock situation. It serves as a buffer that protects against fluctuations in supply and demand. This safety stock can help an organization protect against excess demand, delays from suppliers, forecast errors, replenishment failures, downtime, economic constraints, and many other unforeseen circumstances that may occur in supply and demand. Let's look at an example. A local manufacturer was recently featured in a popular manufacturing magazine, and they immediately experienced an increase in demand for their services. As the manufacturer fulfills orders, cycle inventory is depleted faster than usual. This drastically increases the risk of a stockout. As such, the company buffers against a stockout with some extra safety stock. Without safety stock, the company cannot fulfill orders once the regular cycle inventory is gone, and this could create many problems. And that's it. Safety stock. Now, we only went over what safety stock is in this video, but in future videos, we will cover more about how safety stock is calculated, common safety stock challenges, and even some formulas that can help you figure out what safety stock you should consider. So, rest assured, we will return to this topic in the near future. Now, before we go, I'd like to ask you, the viewer of this video, a question. What examples of safety stock can you think of? Share your thoughts in the community comments or upcoming assignments, and remember, review often and create a trigger that reminds you to come back to Lean Strategies videos often. Until next time, my friends, keep on improving, and we will keep on giving you solutions that ignite your power.